Hey guys, welcome back to another video about Mandarin Chinese. So in today's video, it's a really simple one. It's how to differentiate these two characters. So these two characters all have the same pronunciation, 做 and 做. And they all can translate it as work in English. So when I was little, I always confused about these two because they sound the same and they often use in similar terms, words. I believe many of you might also have this problem, so I'm making this video for you to understand these two characters and differentiate them, know them really. So for those you haven't learned these yet, again, they are pronounced as 做 and 做, and they all have the same radicals. Okay, and this is how to write this one, and this is how to write this one. Okay, how to write them. The main thing that makes the difference is this one, this character is a noun, and this character is a verb. So let me use a classic example for these two. 作业. This is a term for do the homework. 作业 is oftenly referred to homework or other school assignments. Okay, it can also used for some constructional works. Okay, in this term, do is translated directly to this character, this verb, do. The homework is these two. Okay, now so you can tell that this one is often used as the verb, and this one is often in terms that's a noun. So let me use more examples to back up the method. Okay, 工作 做工. You can see it's a little confusing when it comes to these type of words. 做工 and 工作, they look really alike. It's just a switch up in the pronunciation. So 工作 means work, a noun. Job, okay, work or job. So it's a noun, and we will use this one. And 做工 means to work on something. So it will be the verb part. So we use this one. Again, it follows the rules. It's a noun and it's a verb. So primarily I said it all can be translated as work. Okay, and work has these two types of meanings. So these two different characters with the same pronunciation is verb. This is for noun, this is for verb. And now comes the even more confusing part. This character can also used as a verb in some time. We all know now this character is used only for verb. But this one, it can be used as noun and sometimes verb. So how is that? And in what type of situations it can be used as a verb? So generally speaking, when it comes to art, like paintings, writing, In those circumstances, you are creating something brand new. Okay, like 作画. This means you to paint a picture or paint a picture. Or 作诗, it means write a poem. Okay, or 作文, it means write an article, write a text. They all use this to be the verb to write and to paint. In these circumstances, it's emphasized on the output, not emphasized on the process, okay, on the action. Or in some cases, some war, 作战 is to fight with someone or with some group. You still use this one. When it's a verb, then it will be more emphasized on the outcome or the state of something. Like 作战, to fight is a state of mind, is a state of people. And another one use a state is 作对. 对 is opposite. As opposite means opposite. And this term means to become somebody's opponent. Okay, it's a state. When it's this 做, then it can only be verb. And it emphasizes on the actual working process. Okay, the working process. Like 做工 is to work. 做梦 is to dream something. It's the process, the action of doing something. And in summary, 做 has both as a noun or as a verb. When it's a verb, it's doing some activity, mainly connected to art or writing, creating stuff, or to be in a state of mind or of whatever. Like 作战 means in a fighting state. Finally, I'll be close to the function. 作用 is the use or function. Or 作对, it will be better fitting this part. Its function as the opponent, the opposite. So, for nouns, everything of a noun is used this one. So what about this one? This one is only used for verb. If it's a noun, then you don't need to think about it, use this one. So if it's a verb, you need to think about which one to use. For this one, you emphasize on the action itself. The action itself. Okay, that's basically how you differ these two. Okay, so if you have any questions, just leave your comment down below or join my community and ask me about it. If you already know these two, let me left a few quizzes for you to do. Of course, I will leave the translation behind and you can choose which one is which. That's all for today's video. If you like it, please like or comment. If you want to know more about these little tricks, you can join my community where I will be hop on a call every Saturday, so you can chat with me or ask me questions directly. The link is in the description. Now it's for free, and I will see you in the next. Bye.